Verifying your Swiggy account is essential to ensure a smooth experience while using the app. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Swiggy app. If you haven't already, download the Swiggy app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Install the app on your smartphone and open it. Step 2. Sign up or log in. If you are a new user, sign up by providing your mobile number and creating an account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 3. Enter verification code. After signing up, Swiggy will send a verification code to the mobile number you provided. Check your messages for the code and enter it in the app when prompted. Step 4. Complete profile information. Once your mobile number is verified, complete your profile by adding necessary details such as your name, address, and payment information. This step helps in personalizing your experience. Step 5. Confirm email address if required. In some cases, you may also need to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link from Swiggy and click on it to confirm your email. Now that you have successfully verified your Swiggy account, you can enjoy ordering your favorite meals with ease.